or this for Budapest, Hungary. I think, who are these persons? Huh? Let's check this one. Who is this one? They have their dami ng mga persons, mga statue. So Hungary before was really a staunch defender of Christianity. No? Sabi yung away dito before. Kaya nasa gitna yung Serbia, Croatia, no? Kasi ito yung part of the Austria-Hungarian Empire. Ano? Can go here. Ito yung kagabi na nag-river cruise kami, River Danube. Very nice. Super ganda. Ang weather lang i-imagine mo, no? I think below 10 degrees na to. And it's still 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Sa lunch namin, kainom ko beer. And yet balot na balot ako. May thermal pa yan. And yet sobrang lamig. Jogging siya, grabe. Believe naman ako. It's really more of yung familiarization sa weather. Yung adjustment ko past few days, kasakit ako. Walang boses. Ano is yan? Budapest is a tourist, exceptional tourist destination. And okay.